Okay, this is part 2. He's back in his cage. I got his little bathing tub filled. This is the 3rd time he's been in there. He's already bathed a bunch, so it's almost empty. I'll have to fill it up again. People have asked me about his food because he does have the swallowing problems and chokes really easily. They've asked about his food. Here he's gotten water in it, but I puree his food. I make it up quite a bit in advance. Now he's bathing in his drinking water too, which that's an everyday thing. His water has to be changed out multiple times. Okay, buddy. So now, since he got his food wet, after his bath, what I do, off of Chewy.com, I get him 2 different kinds of freeze-dried worms, and I crush them up and make them into a powder, and then I will add that to his food right there. That soaks up the liquid and it moistens those worms, and that way he's getting some good protein, even though with the food that I make up, I use pork, beef, and chicken, and I also put scrambled egg in there, fresh fruits and vegetables, and then I soak dried dog food in homemade broth from the meat that I've boiled. And anyways, I mix that all together and puree it up, and then I freeze it in bags, a half a gallon at a time, and then I usually don't have to make food again for him for a couple of months. It's quite a process to make up all that food. I save leftovers, and I puree those up once a week also. But when it's food making day, it takes me a whole day to do his food, and that includes cleaning up the mess afterwards. But it's worth it. His care is 100% worth it. When he was a baby and I saved him, and it became apparent that he could not be released back into the wild because of all of his disabilities, I took on, it's my responsibility to make sure that he has the best possible life that he can have, and it's a joy. I love it. Okay, you guys have a great night.